Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Bought some stuff on an auction last week. Totally took a gamble on it. Could not see in the pictures what I was actually buying here. I could see it was a 3/4 inch drive set. Looks like Snap-on. But when I was looking at it, I didn't see anything that said Snap-on. I did see one socket, which was this 2 1/4 inch. I could see the part number on it. There's no name. 8H8504 USA. The rest of it was pretty much laid out. Like this head was on its side. I could see a partial number on that. So did a little research. I paid up for this, guys, without knowing exactly what it was. I ended up having about $200 in this set. Came with the 5 wrenches. There's also one more Mac wrench that was in there. And I did a little research after I got it. I see that it is Caterpillar, made by Snap-on. And I don't know if it's a complete set, but it's 2 1/4 down to 3/4 of an inch in the sockets. Got the handle here. This makes it a breaker bar. This makes it a ratchet. Part number on there, 8H, which every part is 8H 8545. The breaker bar adapter is 8H 8546. Got an extension, got a 1/2 to 3/4 inch adapter. And let's see, I think there's 17 sockets, 5 wrenches. If you guys know about this set or have any information, please leave a comment below. I'll be cleaning this up and trying to get it listed onto eBay. I did see a comp on there, this set, but I think it was, I believe, a 22-piece set. This one's only like 20 pieces. I think there was one more extension. It sold for $799. So I better get to work, get this cleaned up. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a great week.